car in today's video was supplied by our good friends Rookie Sports, who have the only road-registered GTR50 in the whole country. Previous to the car coming into our shop, it was handed over to DK Tsuchiya himself to put the car to the test in its natural habitat on Fuji Speedway. Here's a few clips. Now let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the shop. We are back with our hands on cars and looking forward to getting our hands on this car. This is something pretty rare for anyone to see.
It is,
and
yeah.
It's in our shop today.
Yeah.
This is the Nissan GTR50 by Italdesign. And man, I'm pretty shocked and happy to see this thing in person.
Yeah, I think it's only 50 units been produced, right? Recently there was one that has been auctioned off for 900K euros, but even it seems expensive, but the MSRP of this car, the retail price of this car is actually way more expensive than that. It's about 1.1 million US dollars. So
yeah, high price point.
Yeah,
I think it's mixed feelings on maybe the price point for a lot of people because the base is the 35.
Yeah. It's a Japanese car, right?
Japanese car, so Italian-based design company with a high pedigree of their history. It's cool to see them get hands-on with a Japanese car, and it's come out with a pretty unique style, I think. You know, obviously,
I think
you don't see this.
I think
shape.
it obviously changed the shape of the car a lot. Yeah, of course you can tell it's a GTR 35, but still, you doubt somehow, is that a GTR? Like,
got to second guess it. It's almost like a concept car. Like
it is.
It's like you'd see this car as like, is this going to be the 36 or what's up? Because the back in particular looks like super future. Basically, the job we're doing is we're going to polish the car, we're going to coat it, and then we're going to PPF the whole thing, and it'll be custom PPF because this car obviously doesn't have cut data. Because who's going to scan this car? So that's the job we got. Appreciate the trust. We're going to give it our best shot and should be a good result. final step now. We have just coating left, which we're going to do one more time on top of the PPF before we've polished the car and coated, to give it a little bit of extra buffer and layer in between the PPF and the actual paint in clear coat. The final step will be the topmost layer, which is the Halo by G-Technic. The purpose of this is to add waterproofing effect strength and also protection from UV. You may have seen PPF of cars that have sat outside for years and it starts to go yellow. That's due to the UV, so we put this coating on top and that helps add a lot more lifespan to the PPF. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna hand this car over to the owner. All right guys, we finished up with the GTR50 now. Thank you very much for following along and watching the full video. Very happy with the result for this car. Everything's come out great, and iconic car for us this year, an iconic car for Nissan in general. So been a real pleasure to get hands on with it, and we're handing it over to the owner now. So that's it, that's a wrap. If you guys have time, definitely recommend checking out Rookie Sport's Facebook and YouTube channel. We'll have both of those linked down below in the description. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.